Hello there, and welcome to Python course. My name is Harsimran Singh, and I am a Masters of Computer Applications from IP University. After working in data science and ML domain with the Aam Aadmi Party, so as to understand the influence of women's votes and the pattern of female voters in last few years, I have taken up opportunity with TrioHats as a consultant to deliver Python and ML elaborate courses for various universities and corporates. And apart from that, I love to travel on my motorcycle. Now, about the TrioHats, it is headquartered in Bangalore, founded in 2017 by Puneet Duneja, with the intention of delivering value and helping growth through innovation. He possesses enormous industry experience in Agile and DevOps, design thinking, Python, and machine learning. TrioHats is associated with multiple highly experienced consultants like Jaswinder Singh Narang, myself, and others having industry experience in Agile software development, design thinking, Python, and machine learning.